talented and passionate sa kanyang ginagawa. Yan naman ang karakter ng young achiever and guest performer natin this morning na si Yuna Pelino. Good morning, Yuna, and welcome to Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Morning!
Good morning din po sa inyo. Morning.
Morning.
Okay, young achiever ka, Yuna, sa napakaraming categories at bata ka pa lamang ay marami ka ng naiuwing awards, no? Sa iba't ibang larangan gaya ng baby contest at modeling.
Yeah.
Pero paano ka ba nagsimula sa singing?
Passion ko po talaga nung malita ko ay modeling. Modeling po yung aking unang ginagawa po at nakitaan po ako ng parang potential po at parang nagkaroon po ng idea po yung teacher po na sumali po ako sa singing competition po at doon na po talaga nagsimula po lahat.
Well, sa experience mo sa pag-awit sa Bulprisa, no, at iba pang kompetisyon, ano ba yung pinaka-memorable para sa'yo?
Lahat po. Kasi every moment po nung kumakanta ako is memorable for me. It's very memorable for me po.
Pero ano yung ultimate goal mo? Ano yung gusto mong marating sa pagiging singer?
Baka po makagawa po ang sarili ko pong album. Yan po.
Okay, meron ka bang Facebook page or other account para ma-follow ka ng ating mga ka-RSP?
Yes po, ang aking FB po ay Yuna Faiclair S. Pilino and Instagram ko po ay Amazing Universe. Yun po.
Ayan, inspiring yung kwento mo, no, Yuna, no?
Yes.
Dahil only 15 years old, napakabata niya, ay marami ka nang na-achieve.
Yes.
So, well, thank you so much sa pagsama sa amin ngayong umagang ito.
Thank
So,
you
ngayon
din
naman,
po.
makakasama muli natin siya to grace us sa isang another special performance.
Pwede po ba akong magbumati po? Pwede po ba?
Go ahead.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Hello to my family Samaniego and family Pelino, and to my school, PBC Sabim School, and to Sir Bob De La Rosa, and to my cast on stage, and to Coach Sheila and Tito Sam. Maraming salamat po.
Alright.
Morning po sa inyo lahat.
Alright, hindi na po natin patatagalin pa. Pakinggan po natin ang ating guest performer na si Yuna Pelino.
Flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze, it's no bad, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Stars when you shine, when you know how I feel. Sense of the past. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. I said it's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Let's go! Well, there is something going down, like the sun in the sky. Oh, I ain't gonna be played by your behavior. How can I trust someone who's lying to me? Simple thank you, now I simple believe. I said, take yourself and go. Cause you're not for me though. Mama is best when times get hard. And Papa always has a joke to make me laugh. See, Mama is best when I feel down, to bring me up and always keep my feet on solid ground. Yeah, just be the the best of my time, he said to me, always a human as your therapy.